Welcome to Innovation's 24 Insights. To increase profit and reduce loss, every organization needs to answer two questions. Where does value come from, and what does it cost? The cost-value matrix puts both on one map. Here is how to read it and how to use it. Modern AI transformation has three goals. 1. Maximize value. 2. Minimize cost. 3. Increase transparency. Getting there changes ways of working, so anyone can flag an inefficiency and be rewarded for it. It shifts investment toward high-value, long-horizon initiatives. And it builds an AI mindset. The organization reaches an AI mindset when employees on each level embrace AI as an opportunity. This requires transparency to understand what is available and what skills, tools, and ways of working are desired to reach and advance their individual goals and targets. But goals need a path. That path climbs 4 dependent stages. Quick wins come first. Optimize your processes, sharpen your reporting, and automate with simple AI on a central data store like Microsoft Fabric or Databricks. Then business applications. Refresh the systems your teams live in: HR, CRM, project portfolios, and the value chain, enriched with AI and insights. Third, ERP and integration. Budget discipline, financial accountability, and the technological heart that scales with the organization. And finally, an AI mindset. Talent empowered to use combined sources of knowledge and creativity to predict and create products and services that drive revenue and put you in a position of market control. Everything sits on the bed of critical infrastructure that needs to be protected while enabling each layer to scale at cost. Here is the matrix. 2 axes define it. Cost rises on the vertical axis. Everything higher up costs more to run and more to change. And value grows to the right. Everything further right creates more of it, the direction you want to move. In the execution column, the operating model, which provides low value at high cost. The understanding of vision and strategy depends on the structure and the communication abilities across the chain of command. These are expensive to change. Below it, processes, low cost, low value. They exist because output must be trusted, and every added participant slows them down and adds another handoff. Now the innovation column. Capabilities, high cost, high value. People are your largest expense and the source of every skill, every idea, and every improvement. And insights, low cost, high value. The quickest win on the board, with almost nothing left to build and everything to gain. Assess the operating model by finding friction, where roles and responsibilities collide across levels, and where redundant skills hide. Write strategic drivers with a measurable syntax: a verb, a measure, a KPI, a focus area, by a planned activity. Here is what well-formed looks like. Increase sales 15% in key metropolitan areas by opening new branch offices with AI and self-service capabilities. The first half is the expected business outcome, carrying the element you measure. The by clause is the planned business activity. One sentence, easily understood and actionable. Business drivers that play into the strength of the company will empower the most valuable people to achieve a significant difference on your profit and loss statement. Capabilities come in 3 measures: what a skill matrix records, what is actually available after allocation, and what the strategy desires. Close the gaps by enacting clear guidelines on when to hire, procure outside capabilities, rethink the strategic driver, or reprioritize resource deployments. Automate whatever needs minimal decisive intelligence. The matrix states, the predicted success of strategy is the sum of the desired capabilities. Processes execute the strategy, and every process gap fills itself with manual labor, so cost climbs. Product-centric organizations map their processes to the value chain. Service-centric ones use the business model canvas. An SIPOC map completes the picture and exposes over-engineering. The matrix states, the executed success of strategy is the sum of the value of all processes. And highly automated organizations push this further. They ingest high volumes of real-time or near real-time data and reduce their dependence on manual reviews, approvals, and work outside the organization, setting thresholds for AI before a human needs to get involved, and controlling every process with lower and upper bounds on healthy cycle and lead times. Insights are the quickest win, transparent, near real-time reporting for every role. Create an analytics center of excellence to increase visibility and adoption of reports and incentivize accuracy. Security trim the data and handle PII properly, then AI can be introduced safely on top. The matrix states, all levels of the operating model have access to the predicted and executed success of strategy. Elements alone don't move, the flows between them do. The operations flow pairs processes with insights, monitor, govern, and mine them. Insights drive processes to operational excellence. The execution flow pairs operating model with processes, both low value, so minimize the time from decision to output. The strategy flow pairs operating model with capabilities, define measurable outcomes, and spend your best people on the work worth the most. And the innovation flow pairs capabilities with insights. People are your highest cost and your only source of innovation. Engage them and keep them. Each flow feeds a stage of the transformation. Assessing each flow per stage adds value continuously and visibly by balancing time and effort of each step to market control. Start analyzing your processes to determine potential savings of AI solutions. Cost equals processing hours times the rate gap times the communication channels between participants. The rate gap is the role's blended rate minus the skill's fair market rate, the price of having the wrong role do the work, human or bot. And value equals the variability of outcomes times the impact on return in the value chain plus the potential for chaining. Any task, any scope, and the output is a prioritized list of gaps, including what to build and what to buy. If you want to see your own organization on this map, book a discovery call with Innovations 24. Together, we walk your operating model, capabilities, processes, and insights through the cost-value matrix, and you keep the list of quick wins. Innovations 24. Creating agentic organizations.